I see such a great crowd here and great companies and great founders. Thank you for being with us today. We are Olympian Motors. I am the co-founder and CEO of Olympian Motors. We are building the most minimalistic and most elegant electric vehicles of the 21st century. Can we let... We are creating minimalistic and aesthetic electric vehicles. Just take a moment and remember all the vehicles that we have today. You will remember a lot of standardized, commoditized designs. It's boring cars, You will remember a lot of Hyundai, Kia, and Tesla cars. And let me tell you something. Driving a Tesla car was cool 6 years ago. People were waiting in the wait list for a long time. But today, Tesla already lost its exclusivity value. And today's fragmented customer landscape, looking for different alternatives. We are looking for aesthetics. We are looking for simplified user experience. And today's cars are short of providing these features to the customers. And that's what we want to do with Olympian Motors. We are creating, and our intention is to create one of the most elegant cars of 21st century. And as you see, you can see our Model 01 in this picture. But in the background, we have such an innovative production model we would like to put into a place. We engineered a decentralized production model that we aim to work with mid and small-sized automotive builders all across the United States and enable them to assemble Olympian vehicles on our behalf. That's similar to a blockchain by concept, a little bit similar to the Web3 by concept, but in manufacturing. We worked on and engineered a super modular EV architecture. And our intention is to build electric vehicles as if you put Lego pieces together. And imagine, now you are in an automotive shop, middle of nowhere in Texas, and now you can assemble, you can manufacture electric cars for Olympian Motors. And on the other side, we are a climate-friendly company, and we will be the first automaker who has efficiently use recycled, post-industrial recycled and carbon sequestered components inside the car. Today it's 7%, we wanted to increase it over the years. So far, we have made a lot of progress. Still, we are an early stage company. We had great ambitions, great dreams. We wanted to be one of the largest automakers in the United States. But today, we are an early-stage company, but we were able to secure 214 pre-orders as of today. And it represents $17 million of pre-book revenue. And as I said, we have a decentralized production model that today we activated 6 production sites across the United States, 2 of them in New York and 4 of them in California. And we are planning to, and again, it's important that we are not going to wait to go to market for a long time. We are aiming to go to market as soon as possible because we have no time to waste and no resource to waste. We wanted to go market as soon as possible and establish our product market fit. And we are going to have a beta launch in Q1 next year. We have a great team that we have engineers and experts join us from Ford, Tesla, Qualcomm, and other technology companies. Our investors include Y Combinator, Collaborative Fund, and United Ventures, and Climate Capital. We also have early Tesla employees as of our angel investors as well. But it's not only about the outside of the vehicle, but we also see that there's a lot of things we can change in the interior of the car too. And remember what you are driving today, which car you are driving, right? You have a lot of buttons inside the cockpit. You have a huge tablet screen, which is distractive and not intuitive. We wanted to change it too. We wanted to bring a minimalistic cockpit concept with Olympian motors, that you don't have to rely on a huge tablet screen, but you enjoy that minimalism. I'm a big fan of wabi-sabi philosophy, and that's why we wanted to implement the same philosophy into our cars as well. And as one of our roadmap items, eventually we would like to bring all the cockpit and dashboard system as an augmented reality HUD system to our windshield, so you don't have to get distracted by a mini tablet screen there. Couple of words on our climate-friendly materials. That today we use 6.8 climate-friendly materials in our first prototypes, and we wanted to increase it to the 19% by 2025. It's a challenging a task for us, but I think it will be also another dimension that automakers can play to produce more climate-friendly cars. We completed our initial early prototypes in 2022, and we have tested different platforms and powertrain systems, and we also built our infotainment solution, and now we are targeting deliveries to the customers by the end of 2023 and beta launch in Q1 2021. And you can see our first model, which is Model 01, but we are also working on our SUV model as well, which will be a little bit more affordable, $60,000. And now we would like to challenge Rivian, Tesla Cybertruck, and other SUV makers in the United States. We are an ambitious company. I am an ambitious person as well, and we would like to go to market as soon as possible. And by 2027, we would like to ship 100,000 vehicles in the United States. We also have intentions to enter the Chinese and Japanese automotive market as well. These are our founders and early employees. That some of them are my classmates from Columbia University. We have great engineers join us from Lucid, Tesla, Ford. I also am an engineer as well. I started my career at Ford, and I worked at Qualcomm as well. And we have a strong team as well. Again, with Olympian motors, our priority is aesthetics and minimalism, not the horsepower, not the torque, not the complicated dashboard screen. We would like to bring minimalism. We would like to bring exclusivity and elegance back to the automotive industry. Thank you very much.